Okay, so this is too cute. That's Daffy on the right, and she's caught a skink, and now she's looking for someone to give it to. Oh, you! I spoke too soon. You just gobbled it down yourself, hey? Did you just want to come over and brag that you caught a skink? Hey, aren't you a good cooker? Alright. Okay. Well, that was very cute. I'll just get a piece for these guys while they're here. Okay, one moment. Hang on. Okay. Ah, hello. Whoa. Hey. Who's that? Oh. And now Boo Bitey came and kicked my phone out of my hand. Well, hey. Is my camera working now? Yep, here we go. Okay. Do you want to come over here as well, Daffy? Or... Oh, hello. This Kookaburra doesn't have a name. Oh. Hey, Boo Bitey. Now they're talking about giving stuff to someone. Who are you going to give it to? And what are you going to do with it? I don't think they even know what they're doing. I think Daffy's looking for someone to give it to. What are you going to do with it? Oh, you're just going to eat it yourself. That's Boo Bitey. That's Daffy who came over with a skink. And you didn't get your piece. Hang on. There's a little crumb there. Did you get it? I don't know if you got it. I think you got it. Anyway. Oh, no. I think Daffy just got some crumbs. Anyway, I've got to get back to work. Okay. Love you guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Daffy. I love you lots.